A manhunt has been launched for the individual responsible for stabbing a policeman multiple times along the Maypen leg of Highway 2000 early this morning. The officer has been treated and remains at hospital in stable condition. But as you'll hear in this report, concerns are being raised about a Highway 2000 protocol which prevented the policeman from turning back at the toll booth to seek treatment at the nearby hospital.
Investigators searched for clues along the Maypen leg of Highway 2000 Saturday morning. This after one of their colleagues was pounced upon by a lone gunman shortly after 3 a.m. Head of operations for the Clarendon Police Superintendent Christopher Phillips said the cop was attacked after he stopped to change a punctured tire while on his way to work.
Whilst he was doing that, he was pounced on by a man with what appears to be a shotgun. Struggle ensued, and during the struggle, the constable was stabbed 14 times in the back. He managed to disarm his attacker and basically got assistance to go to the Maypen hospital.
News of the incident sent shockwaves across the police force, with some questioning the motive behind the attack. Investigations so far have led the police to believe the incident was an ambush.
Our initial assessment is revealing that miscreants basically had set up their operations on the highway last night, throwing several stones in the roadway because there was another vehicle that got damaged along the thoroughfare. We just have to, remind residents when they're traveling at 4 in the morning or at nights, late nights, they need to be extremely careful.
Meanwhile, concerns about a protocol at the Maypen toll plaza which prevented the policeman from turning back at the toll booth to seek treatment at the nearby Maypen hospital. Commanding officer for the St. Catherine North Enhanced Security Measures, Superintendent Steve Brown, says the police was informed that he could not be allowed passage and a supervisor would have to be contacted. Superintendent Brown wants the protocol reviewed, taking into account emergencies, especially those relating to the police.
He had to hit down the barriers on way to hospital, having identified himself as a police officer. And if he did not identify himself as a police officer, he's a citizen of this country. And we're talking about service, and that's what I told people are there to do. Offer service, not to collect money alone. And I hope it is not true. But then again, they have no reason to believe that the policeman must get up and tell a blatant lie just like that. They are saying that there was no supervisor there. And, we find this very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. This type of imbecilic behavior is just arrant buffoonery. They just can't continue, and something has to be done.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.